Okay, so I'm going to show you guys today the dryer vent cleaner kit. Now, I was on the fence about this forever. I've literally had it in my cart and then I put it in the save for later and then I finally went ahead and got this and I pulled it out. Here's the little brush and this is everything that it's pulling out of my dryer so far. This is so disgusting and so embarrassing, but I think everyone really needs to do this with their dryer because it was just completely full of lint. So this is the brush you're going to get. It is wire, so you can kind of bend it and move it and look at all that stuff coming out. I'm just giving it a quick sweeping, and that way I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do the attachment to the vacuum. Now, this part was really super simple. You can either put it to a hose, but it's also got two other options for you. So you're going to take the end of your sweeper, you're going to push this on it, and then you're going to roll this like rubber silicone type material over it to create that really good seal. So the vacuum's going to go ahead and pull up everything that's left inside of your dryer vent. Now, mind you, before I started this, my vacuum was completely cleared out. So I'm going to show you guys everything that it pulled out of my dryer vent. And it is so embarrassing. I can't believe this much stuff was in there. If you're on the fence about purchasing this, just buy it. Just go ahead and buy it. And that way you can do this to your dryer and then you can see how much stuff is in yours.